Hi, in this video, I'm going to talk about an example which is not a vector space. So, if you see in your screen, this one is the same as R2, right? You can take any element from R here, you can take an element R. But what I have made a difference is this one. Like, if you define the addition, this one is like this and this. Okay. So now, if you multiply with this scalar, this one is defined like this. Okay. So what I'm trying to say is now I will show you that this is not a vector space. Okay. So the first axiom, if you recall, is that if you take one element A here and one element take B, A plus B is equal to B plus A, right? That one. So this is our A, this is our B. This would be equal to B plus A. Okay. So now if you check A1 plus B1, this one is B1 plus A1 is then if you check this A2 minus B2, right? So this one will be A2 minus B2. Okay. And here it should be B2 minus A2. Okay. So this one is done. Okay. And I think other axioms also fail.